Help support the companies that support our community. The finger is creeping me out a little bit. It's a little too realistic. So a couple of years ago we did a project and we cast Robin's hand, and we had to do 2 of them because the first one all the fingers broke off, and of course we saved them because we knew we were going to need them for something. So it's Robin's finger, and then she painted it. Even the fingernail looks a little too lifelike. But we were trying to come up with a Halloween project, and we just got a bag full of aluminum from Doug at Fleet's Wood Shop. So thank you very much, Doug. So we were thinking about doing kind of like a cauldron box like this, and then we thought about we still had the finger. So we were originally, I was going to put the finger on the top of it as the pole, but then we thought this was better. It's a Ransom box. It's perfect. I love doing the aluminum stuff. I just love the way that shines. And it's as far as if you've never turned like aluminum, like stuff like that, the tools cut right through it. I used a negative rake on all of it. It doesn't matter whether it's the resin or the aluminum, it just goes right through it like butter, so it's all good. And those negative rake cutters are fantastic for getting it to not get any catches on it. The box is it's 4x4, 4 inches round, 4 inches tall. I'll put another picture up here at the end of the video. The sandpaper, you might have noticed I used different sandpaper. So Jonathan did a video. I will put a link down below in the description to his video. They went into a kind of a test center, and I don't know how many, 20 or 25 different kinds of sandpaper, and did the same exact test on every single one of them. And this stuff, this 3M extract, I've never heard of it. I think it's a newer sandpaper, but it takes off, I think it was 2 or 3 times the amount of material of the next one in line. Some of them weren't even close to it, but they did it the same amount of pressure, same time. So I got myself some of it. I wanted to try it out. It's kind of like a little, I don't know, kind of like a herringbone pattern on it. It's mesh sandpaper, just like the Abernet I use, same thing. It just they just put it on a pattern like that. But this is the first time I've used it, is with the resin stuff, but I'm gonna try it out with the wood, and I will let you know what I think, because it's yeah, the test, I was kind of like just blown away of, like, when you're sanding, you don't realize, or you can't really judge how much it's actually taking off, especially if you're using like a vacuum system. All the dust is just going away, so you don't know whether it's taking off a bunch of material or not. But they did a test, they weighed the boards afterwards, and this one is like the clear winner. So I wanted to try it out for myself. I'll have a link down below in the description where I got it too. So if you're interested in it, go check that out, that link. I want to wish everybody a happy Halloween. Yeah, it was a fun project, having a good time. All right, hope everybody has happy and safe Halloween, and we will see you next week. Take care.
And then look up at the camera.
Oh.
You can't, you gasp before you even, it went in your head.
Okay.
You gotta like, take a second to realize it's my finger.
Okay.
No, more shocked, not mad. You're not mad, you're shocked.
Okay.
Action.
Am I shocked?
Yes, you're, well, I hope so. No, better. No,
good.
no.
I can feel it.
Okay, now you're starting to feel it. Now you got to put a little more, you know. Better.
Nail.
One more time. One more time.
Oh my God.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Shake it out.
Hang on, I chest puffed out.
Okay. That's pretty good.